How to connect your Apple account to Reddit. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Apple account to your Reddit account. So the first thing we do is we go to Reddit, and this is the home page. Now you click in the corner, top corner on your avatar, and then click on settings, and now you go to the top option, account settings, and now here is the option that you need to use. This is it. From here you can connect your Apple account easily and quickly. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Thank you so much.